Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube videos. This is a great way to monetize your content by earning commissions when viewers purchase products you recommend. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. Now, here's something important you need to know before we proceed. In order to generate affiliate links, you must have an Amazon affiliate account set up. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first through the Amazon Associates program. This is what allows you to earn commissions from the products you promote. Once you're logged in, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the product you want to promote, then press enter. This will pull up a list of results related to your search. Browse through the options and click on the specific item or product you want to share with your audience. Make sure it's something that aligns well with your video content and will be genuinely useful to your viewers. After selecting your product, look towards the upper right corner of the product page. You'll see an option that says Get Link. Click on this button and it will generate your unique affiliate link for that specific product. This is the link that tracks any purchases made through your referral, so it's crucial that you use this special link rather than just copying the regular product URL from your browser. Now copy the URL link that's been generated for you. Keep it ready because we're about to add it to your YouTube video. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to youtube.com. Log in using your YouTube channel's credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on your videos. This will show you all the videos you've uploaded to your channel. Find the video where you want to add the affiliate link, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a details button appear. Click on that button to open the video's edit page. In the description box, paste the affiliate URL link you copied from Amazon earlier. You might want to add some context around the link, explaining what the product is and why you're recommending it, but that's entirely up to you and how you prefer to present affiliate links to your audience. Finally, look at the upper right panel of the screen and click Save. This will update your video with the new affiliate link in the description, making it live for your viewers to see and use. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to your YouTube video, setting yourself up to potentially earn commissions from your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.